These are my favorite Mastella products. So I have been a mom for 4 months now, and throughout those 4 months, meron na rin akong mga naging favorite na brands and baby items na hindi na nawawala sa bag namin, especially kapag lalabas kami. So I wanted to do a series of videos like this na i-recommend ko sa inyo yung mga pinaka parang top favorite products ko sa mga brands na nagamit na namin so far. So, for me, ito yung mga products na hindi nyo dapat palampasin sa mga brands na to. And our brand of the day is none other than Mastella. Ang pinakasikat na Mastella. So, let's start off with my most favorite Mastella product. Kung meron kayong dapat itry sa Mastella, if you're trying it for the first time or if you're nesting and you want to try Mastella for your baby, ito yung hindi dapat mawala sa listahan nyo. This is their No Rinse Cleansing Water. So this one is for normal skin. Meron silang cleansing water for dry skin, with sensitive skin, and with eczema din. So, marami kayong pagpipilian, mommies. Depende na yan sa skin ni baby. But I swear to all of you, when I say na ang bango talaga. And kahit hindi maligo yung anak nyo for, I think, at least a month, basta pinapahid nyo to sa kanya, you're good to go. They're good to go. Sobrang helpful talaga nitong kanilang No Rinse Cleansing Water. Bukod sa mabango talaga siya, it really cleans well. Lalo na doon sa bum area ni baby kapag magpapalit kayo ng diaper and meron siyang blowout. Ibang klase yung cleansing prowess niya. Prowess! But yon, ibang klase talaga. It really helps you to clean the area well and sure ka na walang maiiwan. Lahat matatanggal, lahat sasama. And bonus, ang bango talaga niya. So this is not only for changing your baby's diaper, this is also for when you don't feel like giving your baby a bath, pero gusto mo lang siyang punasan. Ito talaga yung gagamitin mo. Warm water plus this. Kahit isang pump lang. Isang pump lang talaga gamitin mo isang araw dahil ang mahal. But, kidding aside, kahit isang pump lang talaga, yun lang yung kailangan mo dahil ibang klase. Ang bango na agad niya. Isang pump pa lang, kuha mo na lahat. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-pump ng isa pa. Isang pump lang. That's all you need. So, it's pricey, but it's really sulit na din. Dahil magagamit mo siya ng matagal. So, kahit medyo pricey siya, magagamit mo naman din siya ng pang matagalan. So, okay ka na din. Nakuha mo na rin yung worth ng iyong money. So, this is really a must, mommies. For me, especially if you're a family na on the go, lagi kayong lumalabas with the baby, kailangan nyo to. So, yun. So, that is my top one. This is my top one Mastella product that you should not miss and you should always put on your list. Next is my second favorite. Ito naman yung kanilang barrier cream. Taran! Vitamin barrier cream. So, nung una, di ko rin nagigets yung hype. Bakit pa kailangan? Parang itong si cleansing water, hindi ko naiintindihan bakit kailangan ng cleansing water. Not until we had the baby. And mas napadali nga yung buhay namin, mag-asawa. So, this one is a combo. I think kung kukuha kayo ng cleansing water, kunin nyo na rin to. This is a combo. Perfect tong dalawang to. Mag-pair sila. Kailangan nyo sila. So, this one is for the barrier cream nila. When you're changing the diaper of your baby, you should always apply this after changing, after wiping. Apply this bago nyo isuot yung bagong diaper. And it really helps. Alam niyo, hindi pa nagka-rashes ng sobra yung anak ko kahit na ang dami na namin tinry na diaper. So, this one should also be on your list. Especially if you're a nesting mom and gusto mo talagang itry si Mastella for the first time. Promise. Kahit ito ka na lang. Diba? Combo ka na to. Combo mo na to. I-combo mo na to. So, next is, my third favorite Mostela product is this one, the Soothing Chest Rub. Alam niyo, nung nag-nesting ako, sobrang intrigang-intriga ako dito. Kasi lagi siyang sold out. Lagi kong napapanood na lagi siyang sold out sa online. And kahit ata sa physical store, laging sold out. So, ang hirap daw makakuha talaga ng stock nito. And kinakabahan na ako kasi parang paubos na namin siya. But this one is also very helpful for you, especially for newborns. Dahil kapag medyo uncomfy sila sa state nila, lalo na pag kinakaba, ganyan, or feeling ko parang nahihirapan silang huminga, or yun, kinakabag nga, this is very useful. Ito yung alternative doon sa mga, alam nyo, ng usual na ginagamit ng mga parents before natin, like manzanilla, ganyan, na hindi na pwedeng gamitin ngayon. So, this one, the Soothing Chest Rub. And, ang bango din ito. I don't know what is it with Mostela, pero ang babango lahat ng products nila. You can apply this doon sa kanilang chan or kahit dito sa may dibdib na area. And then massage nyo sila. Very helpful din. Ako din nilalagay ko din to sa paa ng baby namin. Nilalagyan ko siya sa paa niya bago matulog. So nakakatulong din pampakalma sa kanila. So very nice. So I think you should try this as well. So my last favorite Mostela product that I think you should also try, mommies, ay itong kanilang Cicastella. So this is their moisture recovery cream. Ayan, for any skin discomfort na meron si baby, yung mga pula-pula nga sa folds, namumula yung leeg, for example, sa tuhod, then you can apply this twice a day, I think, yung sinabi dito. And maglalighten. Mawawala, actually. So, you should also try this. So, those are my favorite Mostela products that I think every mommies should try. So, if you're nesting or you want to switch, you want to try Mostela for the first time, yun yung mga products na marirecommend ko na hindi talaga ako mapapahiya dahil sobrang helpful talaga nila and very worth your money. So, that's it. Hi, mommy!